Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Top AI Gear channel. In today's video, we're bringing you our quick but powerful Writesonic Review 2026, one of the most versatile AI writing tools and AI writing assistants on the market. Let's see if it's still worth it. Let's talk about the core features. 1. AI Article Writer for long-form content generation. 2. SEO and generative engine optimization. 3. AI image and audio generation tools like Photosonic and Audiosonic. 4. AI chatbot Chatsonic. With all these features, Writesonic stands out as an all-in-one platform for writers, marketers, and businesses. Let's talk about the pricing. Writesonic offers flexible pricing. You can start with a free plan that includes limited credits to test the features. Premium plans are monthly and annually, depending on your word needs. Compared to other AI writing tools, Writesonic gives you a lot of value for the price. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Here are the pros. 1. Fast, high-quality output with GPT and proprietary models. 2. Wide range of tools, from blog posts to ads to images. And the cons? 1. Free plan is very limited. 2. Long-form outputs may still need editing for quality. The final verdict: should you use Writesonic in 2026, and why it stands out in 2026? At the Top AI Gear, we've tested Writesonic hands-on and given it strong ratings for flexibility, features, and pricing. Based on our hands-on trial and expert comparisons, Writesonic has matured into more than an AI writer. It's a full content marketing ecosystem. If you're serious about scaling high-quality, search-optimized content, it's worth considering. Just start with a lower-tier plan to test the workflow, then upgrade as your production needs grow. If you want to know about 1. Why should you trust this Writesonic review? Our experience and what most reviews don't tell you. 2. What is Writesonic? Use cases and applications, AI capabilities, and free plan. 3. How much does it cost? 4. What are the key features? 5. Who should use? 6. Writesonic alternatives. 7. How do you get started with Writesonic? 8. FAQs. And to see our complete value for money score and detailed editorial ratings, then visit TheTopAIGear.com and check out the full review. Link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite Writesonic feature. Thanks for watching.